Construction is more than just a job. It's an intricate dance of skill, grit, and innovation. Picture this: a lone worker facing a massive stone armed with nothing but a hammer and a set of wedges. With each precise strike, the stone surrenders, revealing the strength hidden within both the material and the worker. This delicate balance between force and finesse is at the heart of every construction project, from the simplest repairs to the most ambitious skyscrapers. Construction is a symphony in stone and steel, where every task, every trade, plays a crucial role. It's the roar of engines blending with the clang of hammers, a chorus of coordinated chaos that somehow results in something beautiful and enduring. It's about transforming raw materials into tangible proof of human ingenuity, brick by brick, beam by beam. Precision is the lifeblood of construction. Whether you're splitting stone, pouring concrete, or assembling intricate steel frameworks, every movement must be deliberate, every measurement exact. Consider the seemingly simple task of laying bricks. It's not just about stacking them neatly. It's about understanding the nuances of mortar, the subtle shifts in weight, the way each brick interacts with its neighbors to create a structure that's both strong and aesthetically pleasing. Or take the movement of massive railroad components. A miscalculation here could be disastrous, yet skilled operators maneuver these behemoths with balletic grace, relying on years of experience and an almost intuitive understanding of weight and balance. This meticulous attention to detail is what separates a functional structure from a masterpiece, ensuring that every element works in harmony to create something built to last. The world of construction is in a constant state of evolution. New materials, technologies, and techniques emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take roof insulation, for example. What was once a laborious process involving rolls of fiberglass is now a high-tech operation, utilizing spray-on foam that expands to fill every nook and cranny, creating a seamless thermal barrier. And it's not just about the big things. Even seemingly simple innovations, like a clever trick for perfectly halving tape, can save time and improve accuracy on a daily basis. The construction industry is embracing these advancements, from 3D printing to robotics, to create structures that are not only functional, but also sustainable and efficient. The human touch, craftsmanship, and collaboration. Despite the influx of technology, construction remains at its core a human endeavor. Behind every blueprint, every machine, are the skilled hands and sharp minds that bring these projects to life. Take the craftsman meticulously cutting paving stones, his weathered hands guiding the saw with practiced ease, or the team of ironworkers, suspended hundreds of feet in the air, their movements perfectly synchronized as they bolt together a skyscraper's skeleton. These are the unsung heroes of construction, the ones who brave the elements, push their bodies to the limit, and find satisfaction in a job well done. And when the day is over, they deserve a moment of respite, a chance to enjoy the fruits of their labor, whether it's a quiet moment on a park bench or a spin on a carousel. Large-scale visions engineering marvels. Large-scale construction projects are like intricate puzzles on a massive scale, demanding meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. Consider the construction of a modern highway, a ribbon of asphalt that snakes its way across the landscape, connecting communities and facilitating commerce. It's a testament to human ingenuity, requiring the movement of mountains of earth, the pouring of rivers of concrete, and the installation of miles of intricate infrastructure. And then there are the architectural marvels that grace our skylines, soaring structures of glass and steel that seem to defy gravity. These projects are a testament to the power of human collaboration, bringing together architects, engineers, and thousands of skilled tradespeople, all working in unison to transform a vision into reality. Shaping tomorrow, construction's enduring legacy. The future of construction is bright, fueled by a spirit of innovation and a growing awareness of our impact on the planet. We're seeing a surge in sustainable building practices utilizing recycled materials, renewable energy sources, and innovative designs that minimize environmental impact. Smart cities are emerging, equipped with interconnected infrastructure that optimizes energy consumption, reduces waste, and improves the quality of life for residents. Construction has always been about building a better future, and that mission has never been more important. As we face the challenges of a changing world, from climate change to population growth, the construction industry will play a vital role in shaping a more sustainable and equitable future for all.